Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has criticized Arvind Kejriwal's administration for the ongoing water crisis in the city, attributing it to poor management. Sachdeva claimed the imposition of a 2,000 rupees fine is not a genuine penalty, but rather a method of corruption. He has alleged that the Kejriwal government is fostering the activities of tanker mafias, with every MLA from Kejriwal's party collaborating with these mafias to sell water to Delhi residents to exploit them.
दिल्ली का जल संकट अरविंद केजरीवाल के कुप्रबंधन का नतीजा है। मैं आंकड़ों के साथ साबित कर सकता हूं कि दिल्ली को 1049 क्यूसेक पानी हरियाणा दे रहा है और लगातार दे रहा है, लेकिन ये इन लोगों का हालत वही है। इनका जो पानी सिर्फ बर्बाद इसलिए होता है कि इनको रखरखाव नहीं कर सकते। दिल्ली पे 2000 रुपए का जुर्माना लगा रहे, जुर्माने नहीं लगा रहे। ये भ्रष्टाचार का एक और कारण बना रहे हैं। टैंकर माफिया को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं। फर्जी टैंकर कागजों में चढ़ाए जाएंगे और उसके पैसे खाए जाएंगे। दिल्ली में पानी का संकट नहीं है, दिल्ली में कुप्रबंधन का संकट है। इनकी नीयत नहीं है। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने 2019 में कहा था कि 2024 तक मैं दिल्ली के हर नल से टूटी से पानी लाऊंगा। कहाँ है? कौन से पाइप, कौन से नल? झूठ बोलते हैं। हरियाणा का सारा आंकड़ा मेरे पास है, मैं साबित करके कह सकता हूँ। ये जाए कोर्ट।
Mehendi Garg is joining us for more details on this story. Mehendi, Virendra Sachdeva launching an attack on the water crisis on the AAP government. What has he said?
Well, yes, so the people of Delhi are facing facing severe problems of water crisis, and right now we are at a protest that Delhi BJP is holding, and you can see in the visuals that how all the Delhi BJP's big leaders, along with the President Virendra Sachdeva, whether the MP candidates Yogendra Chandolia, Bansuri Swaraj or Praveen Khandelwal, all of them are here for the people of Delhi to protest against Aam Aadmi Party's government. And right now we have Bansuri Swaraj ma'am with us. Ma'am, what is the biggest issue right now, because we are seeing the water scarcity in Delhi, and what are the issues that you guys are raising?
Delhi is parched. And I'll tell you, this is not a natural crisis. This is an artificial crisis which has been created by the Aam Aadmi Party, Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar, only and only because they want to encourage the tanker mafia. Delhi Jal Board used to be in profit by 600 crores in 2013. In the last decade, where the Aam Aadmi Party took over the governance in Delhi, now the Delhi Jal Board is in losses worth 73,000 crore rupees. I need to get down.
Ma'am, one more question only. Aam Aadmi Party is saying that it is the problem of Haryana, that they are not giving water to Delhi.
It is entirely baseless. Hatali Kund barrage, if you go and see, Delhi, Haryana is actually releasing more than adequate water to Delhi.
So this was Bansuri Swaraj with us, who said that it is not at all Haryana's fault, and Aam Aadmi Party along with the Jail Mantri Atishi are accusing Haryana or Bharatiya Janata Party wrongly. You can see the visuals right now. These people will do a march, on the roads, and they will go to the Delhi Secretariat because they are demanding that proper water supply should be there for the people of Delhi, because the water crisis is a very big problem right now that Delhi people are facing. And not only water crisis is there, also the shortage of power and the long power cuts is a major and big issue that people are facing in Delhi. And right now Delhi BJP is protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party, and yesterday also we saw a big protest by the women wing of Delhi BJP, and in that empty matkas were brought by all the ladies and all the women wing people, and also along with the president of the women wing, Richa Pandey. They brought khali matkas in front of Atishi's house, and they broke those matkas in protest and in anger that people of Delhi are facing such problems, and the water scarcity is a big problem right now. And from a few days we are also seeing there that water tankers are coming in various places of Delhi, and people are running behind those tankers just to fill their 1 or 2 buckets. So genuinely there is a big problem of water right now in Delhi. But Delhi BJP is saying that this is only and only Aam Aadmi Party's and Jail Mantri's Atishi's fault. But the political war of words has been started between both the parties. As Atishi in a press conference has taken out this issue. After that only the war of words is not at all stopping between both the parties, and this has become a big issue. And BJP, as in Delhi BJP is saying that they will not stop protesting until Arvind Kejriwal or Atishi make a proper strategy for the people of Delhi, or they do something in regard of the water crisis or in power cut supply case, the government should do the needful. Over to you then.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.